Hey guys, I want to share some interesting facts with you. Did you know that most people will never actually write their will? They'll never get around to it. That's the truth. And why is this? It could be because they think it's time consuming. Maybe they don't want to make trips to and from an attorney's office. Perhaps they believe they're too young to take the time to do it now. Or maybe they believe that estate planning is only for the wealthy. It actually gets worse. The real problem we're facing is the misconception that you don't even need to write your will. Maybe you believe that if something happens to your house will pass automatically to your children. Maybe you've been told that if something happens to you, your minor children will be raised by that person you've indicated you'd like to raise your children. But worst of all, you've probably heard that if something happens to you and your estate goes to probate court, it's not going to be that big of a deal because maybe you don't have that many assets either. So it's not your fault that you haven't done it. And the truth is, you've been told a lot of lies, and ultimately these lies are going to impact the happiness of your family. But there's a solution for you, and today I'd like to introduce you to the 5-minute will. You can finally get all of this done once and for all in 3 easy steps in as little as 5 minutes, and you'll actually outline your intentions for distribution of your assets. You'll name permanent and temporary guardians for minor children, as well as pets, and you'll create specific gifts to persons or the charities of your choice. You'll nominate that executor, that personal representative who will carry out your wishes, and most importantly, you'll minimize family conflict. Now, my name is Lisa Haster. If we haven't met, hello. It's nice to meet you. And you're probably wondering who the heck I am and why I'm making these claims. So I'll tell you a little bit about me. I've been practicing law for 18 years. I'm an estate planning attorney, an award-winning will specialist, and a published author. And I've personally worked with hundreds of single mothers, professional athletes, entrepreneurs, people in over their head in debt, and everybody in between. And I personally practice in probate court, so I understand and I see daily how grueling, time-consuming, and expensive this mandatory process can be. And I want to show you exactly how to avoid that. So here's what you'll get when you purchase the 5-minute will. You'll receive customizable will templates. You'll have lifetime access to those, so you can make as many changes as you'd like without visiting a lawyer and paying them more money. Now, these are attorney guided and they're guaranteed to comply with state law. You'll receive instructions in the form of a video tutorial, walk you right through it, so we'll make sure we get it done right. And finally, you'll get some really awesome free bonuses that'll help you take this even further. And I should mention, you guys, this is a limited time offer, so make sure you take advantage of it right away. If you're wanting to minimize conflict in your family and ensure the future of your loved ones, you'll finally guarantee that you know exactly what will happen to your children, your pets, your valuable possessions, and you'll feel confident that you've created the future for your family, not a probate judge who's never met you or your loved ones. So there's never been a better time to act, and that's because if you purchase this 5-minute will to ensure the happiness of your loved ones, in addition, you're gonna get 3 other awesome bonuses. So make sure you take advantage of this offer. Take care, you guys, and I look forward to working with you and your family.